It's hard to explain it. Heavy hearts weigh a step.
Hey guys, so I just came from school and I have exciting news. I'm so excited to open this. So the other day I went to Best Buy and I was looking for the new camera they had, but they were not there. So I had to go online and buy this. I am so excited right now because this is new for my videos to make it better for you guys to see, and for blogs and vlogs and videos. You know, no, well, I think they're not the same. Vlogs and vlogs. I don't know. Well, I went to Best Buy and I was checking for the new camera. So I had an idea to ask my parents. They said they would buy it, but it's not in Best Buy. So we had to go to the GoPro.com website, which is you can buy any camera on there that is called GoPro. Well, anyways, I'm so excited to open this. And if you're wondering what's inside this is a tripod inside. And you can form it into many ways. And I can only name this one. It's like probably a sitting pose for me. Well, the camera's inside here. So I'm going to open this box first, and then I'm going to tell you what's inside here. Here's a tripod. It looks like I never had this before, but this is really cool. And it just comes with some regular item. Screw? Whatever this is. It's probably to put it in some place. Okay, so it shows the real picture of the tripod right here, just like right here. And also, did you know a secret about this? It has a little thing in here so it can stand up. Well, I forgot how to open it. I figured out how to open it now. I think it's like this. Yep, it's like that. Okay, so now we're going to, open this. I'm going to tell you what it comes with, what's inside it. I'm just so excited to see this. So my parents bought extra battery. This bag is not a toy also. It just says it right here. You can read it. Alright, we'll keep that right there. This is the SD card, and I already opened it a little bit, as you can see in the bag, to put it in the GoPro so it can work. This is why we had that. I'm so excited to see the camera finally open, because I waited for a few weeks. Yeah, it took really long to come here. And here's the camera. It even shows a little picture on the back right here, inside here. So you might want to be careful. Nothing in here. What a cool. This is so pretty. I can see myself right here if I do a little video. This is only an example. I can see myself when I do a video, so this is why I needed the camera. And it also is waterproof. So when you go to a pool, you can go underwater, and you can go show where you're swimming underwater, which is, I love to go to pools because I'm practicing to breathe underwater longer. Well, it's pretty fun to go underwater. It's really fun. Let's push it carefully. Wow. Cool. So it came with instructions, but I'm not going to read it right now. So let's open the boxes. I wonder what this is. Oh, what's this? So this is a thing to cover it, to protect it to not be dirty. Right here. And it also came with two lenses in here, and it's for this to put inside the bag. So it came with the lenses to protect it, so it just looks like a little mirror in my glasses. Right here. There we go. Now we can put this inside the bag to keep it from losing it. We have little things to protect it. Also, we have a little slider like right here, or just to stick it to something also, to put the camera somewhere. But put it somewhere safe if you have this camera. And you know this little wire is just a little charger for us. Lips were dry, so I had to put some lipstick. And it came with 1 battery. We have an extra battery. Don't worry, if it runs out, we have more batteries. So this is why we bought the extra batteries. And I'm sorry for my brother and sister if they're doing noises right now. So I'm going to put the camera on right now and use it with the camera. So I'm going to show you with the camera and see if you like this camera, using it with the camera or the phone better. Well, let's get started. Guys, I hope you like this camera right now, or I hope you like the sounds. Well, also this camera has 6 microphones, and I don't think I need that microphone anymore. I don't think I need a new one because this is awesome already. Okay guys, I hope you like this camera right now, or I hope you like the sounds. Well, also this camera has 6 microphones, and I don't think I need that microphone anymore. I don't think I need a new one because this is awesome already. Well, I'm going to I'm gonna do a little video if you want to. I'm gonna do like the settings. So when I play with the toy first, I'm going to do the settings video for you guys to see how to get this camera all set up. Bye. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe too.